two-pack and her gray baby, who I'm assuming is a female, but I don't really know, seem to be having some kind of mother-daughter day today. Oh, there, she just went into the tree. See it crawling around. Sorry, two-pack. There she is. Did you see that? Wow, this thing zips. She's more zippy than the black one. 50-page paper, and I'm out here videoing a squirrel. But I'm on, I think, page 12. And I do have stuff I need to change. I think I just found a diagram that I want to maybe break into 2 diagrams. But if I do, I'm not sure I have the information to do it properly. I don't think I have time to create any new stuff right now. All right, well, a crime is being committed as far as I am concerned. But just like the fallen tree by nature, we're going to make the best we can out of it. If someone's going to hack down a tree, we're not letting it go anywhere. We're going to take it back for the squirrels. So I already dragged one back. I'm looking for good ones. This one might be good. Yeah, this is going to be good, but I'm going to need 2 hands. With two-pack and her kids, and she's looking at me like, what the heck's going on up there? There's her black baby. Her gray baby is off here. I think that, or is that RJ? No, I think that's her gray baby. But yeah, everyone's being cautious because those noises are not normal. They're taking down trees, guys. It's the biggest crime in our world. Well, hawks. Hawks are the biggest crime. Foxes, cats. Okay, those are the biggest crimes. But next to that, after that, all that is, and humans and cars. Anyway, yeah, one of our biggest crimes is anybody taking down trees. There's just no explaining to a squirrel why in the hell a human would do something like that. And I don't explain it. Well, because I don't understand it myself. I think it's crazy. Trees take friggin' 200 years to grow. Why does someone think they have the right to destroy that just because it's on their land? And really, is it your land? If you're paying the government taxes to live there and you can never ever be done with that, then it's not your land. A house you own, the land you don't. If you did, you wouldn't have to pay taxes, right? So like, why do people just get to chop down whatever trees happen to be on their lot? It's a very strange world, humans. I'm actually related to people, blood related to people who did that. Okay, you guys see this lineup. Here's two-pack, here's this one, and there's the little baby. You can barely see the little baby. The baby's so tiny. I'm not sure who this one is. There you go. It's getting along with two-pack. Well, sort of. There's the baby. Okay, so I've taken to throwing the baby nuts without a shell on it. So we'll see if she can find this. Hey baby, you ready? Hey baby. Yang or Yin or whatever your name is. There you go. I think you're Yin, dude. Do you like that name? How about Yinny? Oh God, no. Sounds like an old lady. We'll go with Yin. The sounds are horrifying. I'm afraid to go up and look. I knew we were in trouble. The lady that lives there, she had some guy out and she was like gesturing upward toward a tree. I'm like, not another one. Friggin' tree trader. I just threw a couple nuts here, but I don't know where they went. Alright, let's go see what kind of damage they're doing. So I'm trying to build a squirrel house because the neighbors tore down 2 significant parts of two different trees. And I come out and this squirrel is like on my ladder eating a nut.